Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I would like to show you an exercise for extending the range of your walking bass lines. We will be working on the tune The Days of Wine and Roses. First, let's listen to the bass line. The goal of this exercise is to play from the lowest note on your instrument and go as high as you're comfortable, basically. I will go to the high C in this case. And this over the course of 16 bars. So the tune is 32 bars. So you're going to do that twice. Go from the lowest note up to the highest note and back on 16 bars and then repeat. So it starts on F, this bass line. So. That's your high C. And your low E. For the next 16 bars, I will try to get more linear, less jumps. So a more smooth progression between the lowest note and highest note. The high C. And your low E. I encourage you to practice this exercise on different tunes. You can do it on blues, rhythm changes, and lots of standards. That's it for today, and I hope you find this video helpful. You can download the PDF for the bass line on The Days of Wine and Roses on my website. I will put a link in the description. Thanks for watching and see you next week.